Right, so oil change on a Ducati 2009 1100S. I've warmed the bike up. It's a good idea to do it so the oil flows better. Just gonna take out the bung in the bottom and let the oil flow. Good idea to wear gloves, otherwise you get covered in oil. Again, much easier if you've got a bike stand. I've just chucked a bit of wood underneath the stand so it's a little bit more upright so the oil flows out nicely and you get most of it out. Just undo it enough so you can do the rest by hand so you don't drop the nut in there. Whoa, it's black. Not so good. Look at that. Last owner, smooth though, not gritty. Last owner obviously hasn't done one. Only had this Ducati for about a week. Very exciting. I'm going to change my gloves because they're covered now.
The conversation, assignment and more. On a Friday from the BBC on 3FM 89.0.
It's flowing out nicely. Right, so there's another little nut here that you need to take out, which is a another filter as such, secondary filter, I guess. I don't know what you'd call it. I'll show you when I get it out. It's quite a long cylinder type looking thing. I'm doing this video because all the videos I saw on YouTube, I could hardly understand what some of the people were saying because there was music that was too loud or they had a very strong accent. So this is for the New Zealanders. Alright. Hoping I'm going to be able to get this one off. Oh yeah, cracked it. Right. I don't know if much will come out here. No, none at all. It's a good sign. So I have to get this in here now. If I can get it in. Yeah. And try and undo that. It's not happening. Might be a star. I should be able to get it out with that same. Well, it might be threaded. I might have to give that another go. May have to get the old drill onto this one. But one more shot. Right, too hard. Wow. Sorry guys, taking a while. Oh, I've got it. Awesome. Never done this before. My old M900 didn't have one of these. Well, I didn't think it did. Should just pull out now. Come on. Maybe it's threaded right in. Yeah, it is too. Lucky I didn't try pulling it out. Awesome, here it is. Look at that. Wow. Pretty cool. It's great that it's got 2 filters, really.
The Daily Challenges show. With that person with a disability, it does take a little bit longer. So does it really worry you? The Daily Challenges show. Because I'm sick of people saying
A couple of metal shavings on there. Only tiny ones, nothing to be too concerned about, I don't think. So I'm going to clean that up with a bit of brake cleaner before I put that back in. I think that'll do the trick. Awesome. So some more's running out of there. Bit of a pull in the bottom. I don't know how I'm going to get that out. I have to lean the bike over a bit. And I'll take that oil filter off in a sec. Give everything a nice wipe down.
Good morning and welcome to Age Concerns Activate on Air. It's a program brought to you by Age Concern Hamilton, and it's
I don't know if I'm going to be able to grab that filter now because my hands are so slippery with oil. Nope, no chance. There's a nut on the bottom. See what size that is. Not that size. Must be 16, 17.
They are in fact the leaders of oral health care. And if you want some more information, check out their website, mental.co.nz.
Hopefully one of the two. Put that on. Here we go.
New music from Kashir and Tom. I'm Drew.
Praise the Tuesday.
Right. Let's see. Make sure the bucket's under there. Catch it. Again, I'd say this hasn't been done. Oh, well, I've tried to get it off because it's it's 17. I might try 16. Might fit a bit better around it. Oh shit! Exhaust is hot. No, it's not fitting on, so it's a 17. Sorry, this is taking ages, guys. No, it's just bending the bottom. What? It's crazy. I need to get a filter grip for that, I think, which I don't have. Oh no. Anyway, most of that's drained out, and when it's finished draining, give it a nice clean around there so you don't smell the oil burning on your motor later on when you're riding. I guess the next step's just to try and get this thing off. Might stop the video now and I'll do the rest later.